Hello, hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to the E portion of Tell Joanne. I am your girl, Joanne. So I am supposed to be going down the list of requests that you guys have. And you guys have requested the Guess Who. Um, and I am really liking them. So I just decided to go look for another song that they have. So this is going to be the Guess Who No Sugar Tonight. And it's a live. So I'm super excited because the song that I did just listen to did not have video. So I'm curious to see what they look like. And you guys already know that I love live performances. So definitely watch the video prior to this, but I'm super excited. So with that said, if you're part of the family, you already know we're about to do a chair. If you are new to the channel, definitely put a pause and get yourself a beverage of choice because we are going to do a cheer to you, to me, to life, to all your dreams, all your goals coming true this year. Okay, with that said, on a count of three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's get into my second introduction, my second song of the Guess Who. This is again called No Sugar Tonight, and it is live. So I'm super excited to see them live. pause on the second. You guys can correct me. First of all, I love the fact that he's wearing Elvis shirt because I feel like I could be wrong because I'm just learning, but I felt like Elvis for me was a perfect blend of rock and country, right? And I'm feeling like I know that they're not country, but I'm kind of getting that rock and country. Like I feel like I want to go listen to country music after this, or I want to listen to rock. Like I don't know, like they're really good. I'm having so much fun. I can imagine that people are having so much fun at that concert. These guys are pretty awesome. So the Guess Who, I've never heard of them before tonight. Like, wow, this is really cool. This is definitely awesome. And I feel like I need to listen to some Elvis after this. I don't know, guys. I might go down there. We'll see. Okay, let's go. That's fun. That was fun. I am very glad I got introduced to the Guess Who. They are pretty awesome. And it's like, this is my first time hearing them, I guess, but it's giving me nostalgia, the nostalgic feeling. I like them. I will definitely be listening to more of their songs. So definitely give me some recommendation, guys. I'm so glad I'm going down the list today because I am listening to some incredible songs. So if this is your first time listening to the channel, definitely check out the videos prior to this and definitely check out the videos after this because I am going down the list and I am listening to your requests. With that said, thank you so much for joining me and I hope to see you again, or I hope you see me again. On that note, see you next time. Bye.